Hi guys, Dennis here. It's Thursday morning about 8 o'clock, 5th of March. On Tuesday, Reserve Bank cut their interest rates by 0.25%, taking the official cash rate to historical low at 0.5%. I want to make a quick video before I go to work to talk about what it means to you before sharing some promotions we have, which you may be able to take advantage of. Let's get right into it. Tuesday's rate cut was widely expected on back of the breakout of coronavirus and its potential impact on local and global economy. Guess what? Yesterday's morning, the Federal Reserve, which is our RBA's counterpart in US, cut their official rate by 0.5%, which is the biggest rate cut since global financial crisis back in 2008. It gives us strong indication that governments have deep concern over the potential damage of this virus to economy. It can turn out to be big and last for some time. So in my view, we are not going to see interest rate rise in near future, even for the rest of this year. On mortgage front, all major banks, along with many other banks, have announced to cut their rate by 0.25% as well. If your loan is on variable rate, the bank will recalculate the scheduled repayment based on the low interest rate. Your monthly repayment will be reduced. However, if you want to pay off your loan faster and you are comfortable with your current repayment amount, I would suggest you keep the same repayment as before rate cut instead of making a lower repayment, so that you will effectively make additional repayment and bring the long term forward. Just be mindful that rate cut will only have immediate impact on variable rate. The fixed interest rates usually don't follow the RBA's rate movement. The bank may also decide to reduce their fixed interest rates as well, but it may take some time before it happens. If you were considering to fix your rate, you may review your position, because it is likely the interest rate will stay at this level for some time, if not getting lower. So I don't see there's an urgency to fix the interest rates at the moment. Let me quickly share some great promotions we have now. We have access to some great refinance cashback promotion together with some very competitive interest rates. Some of those promotions are offered as under-table deal because the bank doesn't want to make too much noise to the market. Taking an example of one deal, the bank will offer $3,000 cashback for every property you refinance. For example, if you refinance two properties, one for your home, one for investment, the bank will offer you $6,000 cashback in total, as long as the loan amount for each property is over $250,000 or more. One of my customers got a cashback of $12,000 by refinancing 4 properties. I also negotiated interest rates at 2.94%, variable rate before rate cut. It will be 2.69% now. All those promotions are for limited time only. For the deal I just mentioned, is only available for application lodged by the end of March. If you want to find out whether you can benefit from these promotions, please contact us. Just be mindful, these days it will take much longer to prepare and put a loan application together because we need to do more due diligence to meet banks' responsible lending requirement. If you are interested in these promotions, please let us know as soon as possible, so we will have enough time to prepare and lodge your loan application before these deals disappear. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the week. I'll see you next time.